Hello children, today we are going to make Papa Puppet pen holder for Father's Day. So let's see the material. We are required first of all a tissue roll. Any roll you can take. If you don't have the roll at home, you can take a thick paper like a chart paper, and you can cut into the width 4 inches, and you can just roll it and you can prepare a roll like this. You're required for a thin cardboard, any cookie box or any thin, so any kind of thin cardboard, and then you're required for some colored paper to make hearts, required for a small piece of white paper to make eyes square, and your newspaper, 1/4 newspaper, scale, glue, pair of scissors, black and red marker, tape, or any other decoration material that is totally optional. So let's start making your holder now. So I'll first of all I'll cut this tissue roll. So I've just cut it into the half this, children. So any one piece you have to use almost 4 inches. Now what we have to do, we have to wrap this tissue, this roll with the paper, pink paper exactly I've taken as this for the skin tone. You can take any other color too, like yellow or orange or any other light peach color. So we're just going to cut this out like this, children, and we're going to cover this. So first of all, you need to mark it and on almost on 4 inches. So from you ruler you can check this on 4 inches, and just you can cut this out. So stick that paper properly. See children, and from horizontal way I've just cut it out the paper from here, and I just got this little strip. I'm going to use this for the ear. Okay, and now I'll just make the base first of all. So you just need to keep your roll on a thin cardboard, and you have to mark it like this, and then you have to cut this out and you have to stick it here this. So now this I've cut it out this. Now you have to just mark on your this paper also, pink paper or watercolor paper you're taking, the same circle. And what we're going to do, we are going to just cut this out, but we are cutting out little extra from our circle so that we can stick this. So give some cuts to it. Now we'll apply glue here on this. And we'll stick this here, and we'll apply glue here on this. And we'll stick it here too. You can do this work before sticking this portion also, or later too. Don't worry, we are going to stick one. Put a tape here on this. So this base of our pen stand is ready now, children. Now we will make first of all the top part. So I've taken this glittery paper. I'm just folding it double. I'm just cutting this out quickly. So the top part is also ready, the same thing. We'll go down a little. One more thin strip. Stick this also here. stick this nicely, and now we will prepare the nose and ears and eyes. So for ears I have taken this small strip, and I'm just going to see, children, you just need to cut into the C shape, just like so. Prepare the ears this way. Okay, we are going to stick like this. Now eyes, you just need to mark U shape. Okay, children, and make the eyeball. And cut the eyes too. So eyes you have to prepare like this for the eyes, and then we'll cut the nose for our father's face. So children, what we are going to do, we are going to cut a triangle for this. So you can just cut it like this, a triangle. Take a rectangle paper, just cut it like this, a triangle, and from here you just need to cut this a little slant this way, little upside, and we have to fold it this way, and we have to stick this on our everything. We have to arrange now. Apply a little glue on the fold we have made for the nose, and just stick it here in the middle. So children, take care for the fold we have to make for the ears, that has to be outside. Okay, and for the nose it will definitely come in front, so it will take a little time to stick. Now take your red marker and just make the lips, making U shape. And the color inside, or you can just take the red paper and you can stick that also. So the lips of the father is ready now. Now children, you need to make this these kind of heart. So you can take a paper and just you can fold, and you can just cut your hearts in whatever size you want, in different size also you can keep. And so see, single or double one this way. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make a square for it. So take your square and just roll paper. How you have to fold it, see, we need a very small piece, so I just folded half, again half, and then this way I just cut it out, and just I got this small piece of this. And as you know that how to roll it, this will come a very thin roll. Okay, so just take care of this thing, and then we are going to make a very thin roll. Take this. Now take your whatever you want to write for your father, you just need to write that, and just you need to give a cut to your this heart here. Lovely. So we're going to stick, so you can prepare as many as you want, children, these kind of hearts, and you can write different amazing words. Your father, you are amazing, you're supportive, or anything, and stick it here, this, and just put into your pen holder. And one more thing you need to do, children, you need to make this kind of bow, which you can stick it here and this, so you can make a red heart, and then a small bow you can just stick it here, and you can keep your all the hearts stuck on this way. So hope you like it. You need to make it your Father's Day, children. So get ready and gift it. Give this to your father on your Father's Day celebration. Thank you so much. Bye bye.